Hey everyone, this is Shirley. This is Jamming with Yard, and this is another recipe of deliberate cooking. I'm going to wash my hands real quick. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. This, what I am making, is going to be a burger. It's all really trial and error. I've watched a few videos. I grabbed what I have, and I don't want to make a bean burger, so I'm going to do the best that I can here, and hopefully I can make a burger for one and let you guys see how it works. So what is needed in this burger is I'm going to put some smoked paprika, some cumin, some liquid smoke, some soy sauce. I have some salt, pepper, beet juice, mushrooms. I think those are black mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms here. I have some gluten flour, and I have some nutritional yeast. I'm going to put everything, all the dry ingredients, and I have some liquid here, and I actually put some cashews just to give it, I don't know, I'm just watching people, and I'm putting what I have, but I refuse to put beans in there. Oh gosh, I do not want. I had a bean burger and it was not that great. So we're going to start off with our dry ingredients, which is going to be, I have everything. I'm going to put a couple of these mushrooms in here. I've never had dry mushrooms before. I'm going to put the nuts. I'll put a little bit of paprika. This is just flavoring. I'm going to put some cumin in here. These things are, don't have an opening on it to make it, okay. Put a little bit of cumin. Let's see if I can open this up. I am watching one of the cartoons. I like to watch cartoons. Do any of you guys watch cartoons? And put some pepper. A little bit of nutritional yeast in here. Now remember, this is a burger for one. And I think that's all my dry ingredients I have right here. I'm going to put you on pause for a minute. Okay, so show you what that looked like after I put a little liquid into it. Well, you know what? I forgot the beet powder. Oh my goodness. I have everything in front of me, and how do you still forget the beet? That's just not paying attention, is it? Hold on, it's going to be a little... beet juice. Okay. Sorry about that noise. And this is what it looked like. Take this out before I cut my hand. We don't need that, do we? Oh, horrible show. Sorry, y'all. Okay. So this is what it looks like at this point. I'm going to come back to you after, guys. I have to steam this for, I think, 10-18 minutes, and then I'll come back and fry it and fix it all up. Okay, now my burger, so-called burger patty, has steamed, and this is what it looked like. I have my skillet over here that I am going to put this in and let it cook for I don't know how long. And I actually made, I know if you guys remember that cabbage, man, that cabbage lasts forever, is still good. So I made like a little slaw to put on top of that. We will see. This actually tastes good. The mushrooms that did not shred in the food processor, man, I'm telling you, they're really good. So I'm going to take this, put it in the skillet, let you see what it looked like. Okay, so it's cooking. I don't know how long I'm supposed to let this cook. I'm telling you, this is an experiment. Let's see what the other side looks like. One hand. Now you guys know that this is really the seitan with that flour that I use, pretty much. I'm going to let this go a little bit further until I feel like it's okay, and I'll plate everything up. Organic Veggie mayonnaise, no eggs in it. And I will put a little bit of that on my bread. I really hope that this tastes okay. I'm telling you, if it do, I'm going to write down everything that I did and do it and use it again. And so I have some leeks here that I am going to put just on this bread, just a little bit of leeks. I have a little bit of honey mustard here that I'm going to put on here on the bread. And I was going to put the slaw on there, but it tastes so good by itself. I think I'm just going to have that on the side. Now I know what I can eat quickly is this slaw. If I buy the red cabbage and put some the Veggie mayonnaise in it, along with the leeks. Oh my goodness, it tastes really good. So this is my homemade burger, veggie burger. That I think I did say that the eggs are there's no eggs in this bread. I made sure to look. Let's see what this looks like, y'all. Okay, that's what it looks like. I want to see what it tastes like. Hold on, I got the Disney Channel on. Let's see. Okay. Personally, it's too thick. I think what I would do, it tastes fine, but because it's so thick, and it's soft because it's so thick, I will take this, see if I can shave half of that off, because even though I know it's not real meat, and even if it was real meat, I wouldn't like eat it like that, because it just is tripping me out. It seriously is tripping me out. So I'm gonna throw this back in there just so it can get a little bit harder. Because mentally I can't take it. It's just like, it tastes good, but it is seriously tripping me out. I feel like I'm eating raw meat because it's so soft. So I could have made 2 out of that mixture. But it tastes really good. And I can tell you one thing. This is real cooking, okay? This is real learning. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know how I survived all these years. Yeah, I do, off of junk and buying frozen food. This is really good. That's good. So that's the end of this. It tastes really good. Everything I put in there was excellent. I have no complaints. This is a thumbs up, and there go my little dirty hands, y'all. They are clean, but I'm a messy cook, evidently. I just need to have this to be not looking like raw meat, and I can mentally take it. But this is very good. Very, very good. Actually, look at this. Now I know if I wanted to make it like some kind of breakfast meat, it actually could go for that too. I'm really proud of myself. I took 3 different recipes because on most of them I didn't have what they wanted, and I definitely didn't want any beans in it, and I definitely did not want to wait overnight for this to get ready. So let that get a little bit more brown so I don't flip my lid. Put it on the bun, and that's it. Try to eat as clean as you can, at least one day out of the month. Give your belly a break, because our belly, you know, we put so much stuff, and I'm talking about me, in our belly and our system, that one day out of the month will be fine. So until next time, this is Deliberate Cooking, and this is my own recipe, a combination of everything. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.